it's some very cool gospel chords which you do on your left hand, and my right hand will be not strumming or with a pick. I'm just using my 4 fingers right here. So your first chord will be E flat major. Just think of it as like a triangle. Move this triangle down 2 frets, and the index finger moves 1. So once again, it's like this, move down 1, move down 2, and now we've got like that. This is a movable diminished chord. I like to go up because I'm going to do a minor 7 chord right here. It reminds me of kind of like a seashell. So it's pretty much everything except A string and E string. That's being muted. I'm just kind of touching it. So 1, 2, 3. Then the next one would be A flat major 7. So I can either do it like this, or I can include my thumb. Out of habit, I just like to do it like this. Then I've got my 4 notes there, and that's it. And then I'm gonna go down to this one. This is a G minor. Maybe add that pinky right there, just to get my E flat note. And then F minor 7 is the same as this shape, but just all the way up here. I bunch it all up together. And then we come back up. And then this A flat major, this is barring it. This is a nice B flat major to be at, because then we come back straight to E flat. So we've got that one coming straight back to here. Remember the shape of it.